So they're usually like more mature and have to do briefings and have to, break up their time and stuff like that. I set up the Palm Pilots for the cleanse back in the day too. What the hell? That's wild. Palm Pilots. I remember those. Damn, that takes me back. Palm Pilots. Let me see. I want to see what a Palm Pilot looks like. I can't remember. What a Palm Pilot. Palm Pilot. I know you remember. So if you're this, you're really dating yourself. Because if you know all this, then you've seen the floppy drives and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, that's the Palm Pilot. That thing was cutting edge. Look at it now. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. So if you know, okay, you're from my era, so you know what this is. Floppy disk. You'll know what this is right here. Look at that. You know what this is? This is some retro tech right here. I was doing an assessment not too long ago, and we were walking around this facility, and I saw one. I saw one of, which one did I see? I think I saw one of these. 3 1/4. Is that what they were called? I can't even remember anymore. I saw one of these. Yeah, 3 1/2. These ones right here. And I'm walking with this other security person, and she's pretty young. And I said, whoa, look at those. Those are floppy disks, And she said, wow, those are before I was even born. And I was like, oh my God, that's wild, man. Anyway, okay, I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate everybody. Thanks, Smooth Virus. Enjoyed talking to you. He says, oh, I remember the 5 1/4 floppies. Use those on my Compact Desk Pro. Do you remember having to load Windows with those floppy disks, with those over there? You remember, like, it was like 15 of them to load Windows 95 or something? I think I might have some of those still. You had like, I don't know, like 30 disks, and you had to feed each one by one. Damn. Man, I'm really dating myself now. Okay, anyway. Yep, that's it. Wow, good times, good times. I'm old enough to remember the floppy drives on the C64. That's before my time. And those things were noisy as hell. Yeah, the Commodore 64. Yeah, Win.exe. Yep, man. Man, I remember that, man. And then the Windows 95, the sound that it made when it booted up. And man, I actually used to like Windows 95. Turns out it's a really horrible operating system. I mean, it's really, really bad. I can't believe how bad it is. Then they had Windows 98, and that was a little bit more secure. Man, damn. Yeah, Windows 98, and then Windows NT. Windows 98 was one of my favorites, but it's also not very secure either. Okay, now seriously, I'm out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate everybody. I'm out of here. See you next